Voyager 1 is the farthest object ever created by humans, traveling through space for more than 4 decades. It began its journey in 1977 and has moved over 14 billion miles away from Earth, drifting through areas that are dark, silent, and unbelievably cold. Even from that great distance, it still manages to send signals back home, proving how strong and steady its design truly is. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed an invisible border and officially entered interstellar space. This boundary sits beyond the heliosphere, which is the giant bubble of energy and particles pushed out by the Sun. When Voyager passed this point, it became the first spacecraft to leave the Sun's protective influence. This moment changed space exploration forever because it meant that humanity had sent something beyond the reach of our own star. What makes its journey even more impressive is the simple technology inside the spacecraft. Voyager 1 was built with equipment from the 1970s, long before modern computers or advanced systems existed. Its computer is weaker than a basic calculator today, yet it continues to operate. This shows how carefully the engineers designed it, thinking far ahead and making sure it could last longer than anyone expected. Voyager 1 first traveled toward Jupiter and Saturn to study them closely. It sent back detailed pictures showing Jupiter's massive storms and the surprising volcanic activity on its moon Io. Later, it reached Saturn and revealed a strange hexagon-shaped storm at the planet's north pole. These discoveries amazed scientists and gave us a new understanding of our solar system. After completing its main mission, Voyager 1 did not stop. It continued moving outward, traveling beyond the planets and into regions no spacecraft had visited before. It sends information to Earth using a transmitter with only 23 watts of power, which is less than a small night light. Despite this, its messages travel billions of miles and take more than 21 hours to reach us. This delay reminds us just how massive and wide space truly is. On board Voyager 1 is something special known as the Golden Record. This record contains greetings in 55 languages, along with sounds of nature such as birds, waves, and thunder. It also includes music from different cultures, and even the sound of a human heartbeat. The record serves as a friendly message to any intelligent life that might one day find the spacecraft. It represents the spirit of Earth and shows the diversity of life on our planet. Voyager 1's long path was made possible by a rare alignment of the outer planets. This allowed it to use a gravity assist technique, where the spacecraft used the pull of planets like Jupiter and Saturn to gain speed. This saved fuel and added years to its journey, helping it travel farther than anyone imagined. Because of this extra speed, it also helped scientists learn more about places like Neptune's moon Triton, where signs of nitrogen geysers were discovered. Voyager 1 has a twin spacecraft called Voyager 2, which also continues to explore space. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune, giving us images and knowledge we never had before. Together, the two Voyagers changed what we know about the outer planets and the empty spaces between stars. Even now, Voyager 1 continues to make new discoveries. Not long ago, it detected a faint humming sound coming from interstellar space. Scientists think these gentle vibrations come from gas floating between stars. These signals are extremely soft, like distant whispers, yet they help researchers understand the conditions far beyond our solar system. The spacecraft runs on a small nuclear battery powered by the heat of decaying plutonium. This battery was expected to stop working by 2025, yet Voyager 1 continues to function. Its memory is only 69 kilobytes, much less than a single smartphone photo, but it completes its job with amazing reliability. When its power finally runs out, the spacecraft will still drift through space for thousands of years, carrying the golden record as a message from humanity. Throughout its travels, Voyager 1 has taken stunning images and revealed secrets about planets, storms, and cosmic particles. Crossing the heliosphere was a complex moment that required careful study of changes in particles, radiation, and magnetic fields. Scientists noticed that the magnetic direction barely changed, suggesting the Sun's influence may extend even farther than expected. Voyager 1 survives intense cold and radiation thanks to its simple and durable design. Its long journey teaches future missions that sometimes the strongest designs are the simplest ones. The mission originally cost around $865 million, which would be nearly $4 billion today. For that cost, humanity gained over 40 years of discoveries and knowledge, making it one of the most successful missions ever launched. Voyager 1 travels at about 38,000 miles per hour, yet it would still take more than 73,000 years to reach the nearest star. One day it will enter the distant Oort cloud, an icy region at the edge of our solar system. It will take 300 years just to reach it and 30,000 years to pass through. As it continues its journey, Voyager 1 carries a message of curiosity, hope, and human creativity. It reminds us that exploration never ends and that the universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.